Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome back to our channel, where we'll be discussing the Mulching and Bagging blades by Ego. At the end of the video, we'll share our verdict on what we think about Ego's Mulching and Bagging blades. So stick around and keep watching. Ego's Mulching Blade and Bagging Blade. The Mulching blades by Ego are also known as Ego's Mulching Lower Blades. These heavy-duty blades will clip the grass on your lawn into the finest fragments that make for excellent natural fertilizer for the lawn. These mowing blades are used with Ego's lawnmowers, and their lower mulching blades are easily interchangeable with Ego's high-lift bagging blades and extended runtime blades. On the other hand, the upper mulching blade makes up the second blade in the multi-blade system included in the set, and so this blade slices grass on the lower deck, sucking up the grass for the best level of performance. Ego's high-lift bagging blades are reliable bagging blades by Ego, and these boast a high suction, making the blades ideal for use on your lawn if the grass is long and thick. This bagging blade will also result in a neat and even yard, completely free of grass clippings. These lower high-lift bagging blades are easily interchangeable with the extended runtime blades and the mulching blades. And the second blade from this set is part of the Ego multi-blade system. This blade slices the grass on the lower blade's deck that sucks up the grass, enhancing its overall cutting performance. Differences between the Ego mulching and bagging blade. Construction materials. The mulching blade boasts a high-quality blade made of steel that will ensure the very best cutting performance, while also making sure that the blades last a very long time, offering the best value for your money. Ego's bagging blades are high-quality steel that ensure the best cutting performance and durability. The blades don't have to be sharpened frequently, and they'll ensure a clean cut on your lawn and an enhanced level of lawn health. Aerodynamics. The lower and upper mulching blades by Ego don't have the highest degree of aerodynamics, meaning the lift is not as high, and the blade would be inefficient in case the grass on your lawn is too long. The Ego high and low bagging blades, on the other hand, have a high aerodynamics lift, meaning they'll ensure the best grass clipping and bagging efficiency. The bagging blades will also ensure the easy clipping of long and thick lawn grass. The shape of the blades. The mulching blades are curved with more cutting edges that ensure the blade's best cutting and mulching performance. The shape of the blades is also important because it makes it easy to cut short and thinner grass. These blades sit in a plus design, with each blade perpendicular to each other, ensuring the best mulching performance. On the other hand, the bagging blades are straighter, and though they don't have curved edges or as many of the cutting edges, they'll ensure proper grass cutting. The 2-in-1 functionality of the bagging blades boasts a high lift and a higher lift and airflow, hence the best cutting and bagging performance. Comparison table. The table shows that these two blades serve different purposes, and they're both excellent options for short and long grasses, respectively. Similarities. The blades are also compatible with the 21-inch Ego Power multi-blade system, and they're designed to provide the best quality cutting and performance, as well as value. The blades are also quite durable thanks to the steel construction, and they'll ensure clean cuts and the best health for your lawn. Verdict. Which blades do you need? Ego mulching or bagging blades? Ego's mulching blades and bagging blades are an integral part of the Ego multi-system lawnmowers, and you'll need the high and low mulching blades for the best clipping and mulching performance of the blades on short grass. And the bagging blades would be ideal for longer and thicker grass, and the lower and higher bagging blades will ensure an immaculate lawn. It's also worth noting that the green color of the blades make the blades a great addition. These will match the Ego green and black lawnmowers perfectly. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching.